What happens if you try to get an internship for this summer and no luck? Or maybe you didn't even try to get an internship this year, but you do still want to make the most of your summer. This is the Intern Hustle, and yes, I think internships are a fantastic way to maximize your summer. However, believe it or not getting an internship is not the end of the world. It actually opens up a world of possibilities. There are a number of other ways that you can wisely spend your summer without an internship, and I'm sharing 6 of them with you in today's video. Hey there, I'm Jenna Ryan from the internhustle.com, and this is Initiative Muscle Monday, helping you to start each week with an intentional step toward a successful future. Let's do this. Okay, so my first recommendation for how you can best utilize your summer break really should come at no surprise to you. Start pursuing internship opportunities for next summer now. I promise I will get to internship alternatives later in this video, but let me get on my internship soapbox for a minute. I know next summer seems like a long ways off, but that's precisely why you should start your internship search now. Use the time in the summer to your advantage. Prepare and get ahead of the curve. You'll be many steps ahead of your peers. More time to research opportunities equals more time to discover awesome opportunities that you may have otherwise overlooked. And take the time to add some informational interviews into the mix as well so that you can learn about specific industries or companies or roles that might interest you. I have a great video on how to reach out for informational interviews, so go check that out after this one if it's something that you'd like some insights on. You also have the time over the summer to get intentional about self-development. Now, you don't have class schedules with a bunch of extracurriculars to compete with. Once you know what internships that you're excited about, focus your attention on developing the necessary skills that will make you a stronger and a more qualified candidate for those positions in the future. And if you identify the best internship opportunities for you early on, then you're going to be one of the first to submit your internship applications once they start accepting them again, because you're going to already have your resume and your cover letters and your applications ready to go. This also gives you a greater window of time to follow up and create even more touch points with potential employers. This demonstrates your initiative, and it's going to help you stand out in a sea of applicants. Another great way that you can be spending your time this summer is to shadow a professional or assist your professor with a research project. Both of these are great ways to prioritize your learning and build relationships. You can leverage some of the extra time that you have on your hands, maybe in between researching internship opportunities, and seek out individuals that you can learn from. Individuals that align with your professional interests and goals. Now, a lot of professors remain on campus throughout the summer to lead summer classes, and many of them are also conducting some form of research. It's also likely that there are a few family friends in your network that are open to having you job shadow a few times this summer. Finding someone that you can learn from isn't the hard part. Approaching them in a thoughtful and respectful way is where you need to put in a little effort. Emails inquiring about research or job shadow opportunities should be professional and concise. A lot of this is very much in line with the same way I teach you how to reach out for an informational interview. So again, there's that video you can go check out, and these things are going to go hand in hand. Now, while these first 2 options are a great way for you to spend your summer, sometimes you need your summer break to just get caught up on school. So the third way to spend your summer wisely is to catch up or get ahead on coursework with your summer classes. Now, taking summer classes is not only productive, but it's also a great option if you're already on campus assisting a professor with some research work. See what I did there? Plus, the traditionally lighter summer class load makes it easy to balance class and a part-time job. And in pay-it-forward style, the summer credits could also benefit future you if you decide to take a lighter credit schedule in the fall, because fall internships are a thing too. So you should be considering all of your options. Chances are, if you're watching this at the beginning of your summer break, the time to enroll in summer classes is maybe already come and gone. However, some schools have multiple summer terms, and you may still be able to enroll in classes towards the latter part of the summer. It doesn't hurt to check if it's something that you're considering. And if you just need a break from school and taking classes over the summer really isn't your thing, then work a summer job or choose to volunteer your time. This is probably the most straightforward of options that I'm sharing with you today, but if you find yourself without an internship, you can still add some valuable job and volunteer experience to your resume. Now, while any job is better than sitting around twiddling your thumbs all summer, I encourage you to be intentional with what you choose to do. What summer jobs offer you relevant experience that will look good on your resume? For example, I spent a couple of my summers home from college working as a fitness floor trainer at a local health club. The responsibilities that I carried out at this job and the overall fitness environment that I was surrounded by preconditioned me for the sports performance internships that I hoped to apply for in the future. And this same thing goes for volunteering. Find opportunities that are aligned with your goals. A great place to start is by looking at the types of charitable causes that your dream company is already involved with. Seek out ways that you can also get involved with these charities. My fifth recommendation for you today is probably my favorite. It is the one thing that I wish I would have done more of when I was in college. Travel and gain some new perspective. Your travel doesn't have to be anything extreme or expensive. Just find ways that you can change up your routine a bit and soak up some exposure to new environments. This is one of the most enjoyable ways to maximize your summer without an internship. Road trips and camping, or as I prefer, glamping, are a great way to travel on the cheap. And there is nothing like a good dose of the great outdoors to help hit that reset button after a challenging series of final exams. I also enthusiastically recommend international travel. If you happen to have the time and the financial freedom to do it, do it. This was not the case for me while I was in college, but I have taken many international trips since graduating, and I cannot get enough of the new perspective that each cultural experience brings me. One smart way to maximize the international travel and stay over there for as long as possible are study abroad programs. So just do a Google search and you're gonna get a long list of options. There are so many companies specializing in great study abroad opportunities. And most of them do the logistical heavy lifting for you. And number 6, an always valuable way to spend your time. Soak up all the learning. Just because classes are out of session for the summer doesn't mean that you should stop learning. If you had a summer internship, you'd be trying to learn as much as you can on the job. And if you're headed into summer without an internship, the best kind of learning is the kind of learning that you get to define on your own terms. First, identify. What are you interested in? What skills would you like to develop over the course of the next year? Who do you respect and want to learn more from? Or is there a specific project that you have always wanted to start? Then seek out the best ways to absorb as much information as possible. Books are an obvious resource, and a solid one. Podcasts are exploding onto the scene with every topic imaginable, and online courses allow you to learn a new skill or concept at your own pace and in record time. There is so much good information out there, you just have to look for it. I crave learning. I will forever be a student of many things, and online courses have been huge for me in the past few years. I have learned so much, like how to start my own business, just from taking online courses from various experts out there who have equipped me with the information and tools that I need. It's why I decided to create an online course for you. I want to help you prepare for life after college and take control of your future. I believe that internships and creating a strong personal brand are the way to set yourself up for success. And if you're interested in learning more about this, I have an online program called The Course, where I teach you how to, 1, polish your personal brand, your resume, your LinkedIn profile, cover letters, references, all of those things. And 2, secure the internship. So how do you find the right opportunities and then interview well for them? 3, I teach you how to operate like a pro. So you're gonna learn the professional skills in order to succeed at your internships. And 4, close the loop. Convert your internship experience into a stronger network and future opportunities. The entire training program is online, complete with video lessons, action guides, and group coaching from me. You can sign up for the waitlist to be notified of the next time that I open up the course for enrollment, which happens to be coming up soon if you're watching this video right when I release it, but I will continue to open up the course for enrollment on a rolling basis throughout the year as well. So definitely sign up to get on that waitlist and just be in the loop on all of the updates that are coming for the course. You can head over to theinternhustle.com/course in order to sign up, or you can just click the link that I've provided for you in the description below this video. If this video gave you some new insights today, please give it a like and share it with a friend or two, and hit that red subscribe button below so that you don't miss out on future videos. In support of your hustle, I'll see you next Monday.